Well, hello everyone, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best. So I had a customer send in a video of him using the Alum-A-Lub lubricating spray. He's actually an installer slash customer, but he wanted to share this video with him using it because it was the first time he bought it and thought, oh, this is really cool stuff because it worked really well. So the video shows him spraying the wheels, both top and bottom, as well as the bottom track where you're supposed to spray it. And so, check it out. And that's how you would apply the Alum-A-Lub lubricating spray. Remember, it smells like bananas. It doesn't smell like some harsh chemical. So it's really awesome and formulated for sliding glass doors, sliding screen doors, as well as you could use it on hinges and gates and whatnot. It's one of the best lubricants out there that you can use for these types of applications, okay? Thank you very much, guys. Take care and enjoy the video. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.